Guys, welcome to the new C Sharp course. This is introduction class of the C Sharp, and in this course I will teach you each topic of the C Sharp and what is C Sharp and why we use the C Sharp. In upcoming videos you will get more about the C Sharp, and I will give you the real practice of the C Sharp. So let's start it now. What is C Sharp? C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language created by Microsoft that run on the .NET framework. We can design Windows application, web application and mobile application with the help of C Sharp. C Sharp enable developer to build many type of the secure and robust application that run in the .NET. The first version was released in 2002 and the latest version was released in November 2022. Next, why we use C Sharp? It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and with the help of C Sharp we can design any type of web application. Like you can design any portal, any website, dynamic website, static website, bank application you can design with the help of C Sharp, and Windows application also you can design, and any games also we can design in the C Sharp. Next, C Sharp is simple, readable and easy to use. C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language which give a clear structure to program and allow code to be reused. Lower development cost. C Sharp has built-in design pattern and best practice, and C Sharp developers are in very high demand. Next, advantage of C Sharp programming language. C Sharp has a number of benefits of the developers regardless of their skills level or experience as a programmer. We highlight several of these in the following section. First, object-oriented language. C Sharp is pure object-oriented language, and this allows you to create modular, maintainable application and reusable codes. Automatic garbage collection. Automatic garbage collection, actually I will tell you what exactly. If you are writing any code or any program in the Visual Studio, and that your code is using right currently, and you are putting some extra functions, extra parameter in that your program, and which is currently for the timing being it is stopped, means any extra parameter is running externally. So automatic garbage collection will remove automatically whatever extra features is running in your program which is not usable currently. So that is the automatic garbage collection, and in the C Sharp it will happen automatically. No need to run any actually manually any commands or any other thing, you have to do it. So you can we can say here C Sharp has got a very efficient system to rise and remove all the garbage present on the system. C Sharp doesn't create a mess in the system, and the system do not get hanged during the execution. C Sharp. Third, C Sharp is cross-platform. What exactly actually cross-platform? You can say simple in one word. Cross-platform means you can host, you can publish your program, your project on any other operating system. It can be Windows application, it can be Windows Server, it can be iOS or Android also. Fast development time. C Sharp has several features that allow developer to code fast than with the other language. Some of those features include a statically typed and easy to read language, a syntax that feel like an expanded version of the Java, and a huge library filled with high level functionality. Next, C Sharp environment. C Sharp is part of the .NET framework and is used for writing .NET application. Therefore, before discussing the available tools for running a C Sharp, let's understand how C Sharp related to the .NET framework. The .NET framework is a revolutionary platform that help you to write the following type of the application. You can design Windows, web application, web services also. I will give you the explanation about the Windows web and web services also in upcoming videos. So the .NET framework application are multi-platform application. The framework has been designed in such a way that it can be used from any of the following language. It can be C#, C++, Visual Basic, JS Script, COBOL, etc. All these languages can be accessed the framework as well as the communicating with the each other. The .NET framework consists of an enormous library of the code by the client language such as C#. Following are some of the components of the .NET framework. First, CLR, Common Language Runtime, CLS, Common Language Specification, Common Type System, CTS, Windows Forms, ASP.NET, ASP.NET, Ajax, ADO.NET. We'll give you the separate class on CLR, CLS, CTS. So it's a different topic. You will learn in the upcoming videos. So Microsoft provide the following development tools for the C# programming. Means you can practice on Visual Studio, and these are the version. Actually, if you will see 2010, 12, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 22. Even if you don't want to use the Visual Studio, then you can use the Visual Studio Code. Next, C# output. To output value of the print text in the C#, you can use the WriteLine method. Means if you wanted to print any message like your name, my name is Arun. So if I wanted to write this name in the program, so I have to write this command Console.WriteLine, and I can put anything in the string or any integer. Next, C# comments. Comments can be used to explain C# code and make it more readable. Means if you are writing the long program and you wanted to explain for someone what exactly the meaning of the line, then you can write the comments. Or commands, you can actually use one of the there is means what can happen here in the comments, like if you wanted to put the program of the 10 lines and for the timing being you wanted to hide, means you don't want to run that lines 2 or 3 lines in your program for a particular time, you wanted to comment, so you can use this comment. So this is single line comments you can do, or multi-line, means at a time if you wanted to hide multiple lines, so you can use the multi-line comments. Next is the syntax of the C#. You can see here I'm using system namespace. Using system is a library, and namespace HelloWorld. It can be anything, means based on your program, what program you are going to write. Class program, class name, this is the program is the name of the class, so any name you can put as per your choice, and whatever program you are going to write based on that class. On upcoming videos you will see the separate topic of the class also. And this is the main important next line is the static void main. This is the main important line of the C# program. Always whenever you will run your code, so this line will be executed first time. After that all the lines or all the methods will execute. So whenever you will learn first time your program, so this void main will run here. So you can see the result of this program HelloWorld. So in the upcoming videos I will give you the real practice, and I will show you the each topic and a real program on the Visual Studio. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.